Hey y'all, today what we're going to be doing is decorating my master bathroom. And so I'm giving it a new look. In the previous videos, you saw me take down the decoration, clean up the bathroom and all of that. So if you didn't catch those videos, then I ask that you go back and check those videos out if you like cleanup videos or whatever. So in this video, I'm going to be decorating. Now, I'm changing it up a little bit. I'm giving it like a little fall look to it, But even though I'm giving it a fall look, the decor is still gonna stand throughout the year. Okay, until I decide to change it again. I'm not one of those ones that change every holiday, every season, nothing like that. But I just felt in the mood to just decorate. So I was like, let me go in and change up my bathroom. And I had this shower curtain that I been holding on to for a year that I need to use, and it was the perfect time to put the shower curtain up. So if you didn't catch that video, then I need of me showing you the haul on the stuff that I purchased to decorate my bathrooms, because I will be actually decorating both of my bathrooms in my house. So without further ado, y'all, let's go ahead on and get into this video. I want to thank you for coming. But before we get started, I'm going to ask that you ring the doorbell. Now, some of you may be like, what is the doorbell? Okay, that is my neat way of saying hit the like button. So if you is new over here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. I hope that y'all enjoy my channel. Y'all, let's get into this video. Alright, y'all, so I got the shower curtain up. So now I went to my other bathroom and I got this vase here, and I like to fill it up with the potpourri. Alrighty, y'all. So this is the finished look of the bathroom. I hope y'all enjoyed the look. I hope y'all enjoyed me doing this step by step of me decorating my bathroom. And I hope you felt inspired, y'all. Here it goes.